If you are looking for a content calendar software to use at your social media marketing agency with your team in 2026, in this video I'm going to be showing you a tool which is called PostPlanify, which is essentially a social media management platform specifically built for agencies and growing teams. And I'll be showing you everything in detail and how we can manage your calendar by collaborating all together with your team all in one dashboard. So first of all, this is the content calendar PostPlanify provides, where you can see all your scheduled and published posts and all the other details related to your calendar right here. You can see their details, you can see the preview of the post. If you just hover over these, you can discuss with your teams something specific to this post as well. Right here, you can even mention your teammates. You can see the performance details and all the other details are basically shown right here. And then of course there's options to see this as a weekly view, see this as a list view or monthly view. You can see your notifications right here. You can select your time zone. You can do all this sort of filtering, like only see scheduled posts, only see published posts. You can also filter posts by pending approval or awaiting your approval statuses and all this sort of stuff. Of course, to use all these, you should be first configuring your workspace. And what I mean by that is, for example, if you are managing multiple clients, then you should be creating a separate workspace for each to keep them separate. So for example, let's say this client 1, client 2, client 3, and under these workspaces, you can connect the social media accounts of each client you have. And PostPlanify, by the way, supports all the social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google My Business, and all the other options you see right here. Then you can just go back into workspaces. And if you click on this invite people button, you can basically invite all your team members and also as well as your clients into the same workspace to collaborate all together. So for example, these are some of the team members I invited already. I can also customize the permissions of each person in the workspace. I can also write an email address, select a role, and send the invite to their email address, and they can just join the workspace with just one click. After you handle all this, let me show you how easy and straightforward it is to create and schedule posts to your content calendar on PostPlanify. So first of all, you will be uploading your media file. This could be image, this could be video or carousel, whatever. And you can also import from your Canva, Google Drive, or Dropbox accounts here as well, by the way. So for example, let me just upload an image right here. Let's say this one. Then I will be selecting the accounts that I want to publish this post to. Let's say Instagram, TikTok, and Google My Business. Then I can select if I want to post this as a story as well for Facebook and Instagram. Then I will be writing the captions for each platform right here. For example, I can say example caption for now. Then I can just customize each post per platform. And what I mean by that is, for example, for Instagram posts, you can add a first comments, you can set up location for your post if you want to, just like you're naturally doing in the platform itself. You can assign labels to the post. You can use AI assistant to fix grammar, expand the caption, improve the structure, and all this sort of stuff. And you can also generate the captions entirely scratch from the images and videos you upload, by the way. So for example, if I click on generate caption, PostPlanify will be generating with AI for each platform separately and optimized for each, by the way. Then basically I can do all these sort of settings, and then I can see the preview of my post, how it's gonna look like on different platforms, so I can have a better understanding. Then I want to select if I want to request approval from my teammates. This is also an option. If you want your post to get approved before it goes live, you should be selecting this option, and you can also assign this to specific team members too. This could be also your clients as well. Then you can schedule this post for a later date. You can select the time, select the date. You can publish it right now or save it as a draft if you just want to come back to it later. Then I want to show you how PostPlanify shows full analytics for each platform and for each account you connect. So for example, I can see my total followers, my views, my engagement data, and I can also see my daily views, my daily engagement, my top posts, views by platform, and all these other helpful metrics, and also as well as details for each account as well. So for example, this is my Twitter account, and I can see its details right here, such as the follower trend graphs, my views, how it's changing over time. I can see the engagement details, my best times to post data if I want to make data-driven decisions. And I can also see like my post performance details, such as how my posts are performing. So I can see their views, likes, and all the other metrics I can see right here. Then in the social inbox tab, I want to show you that you can manage your comments and DMs for your clients as well. So for example, these are some of the comments that I got into my post, and I can write a reply back to those. I can use AI to generate AI replies. I can also get one from my saved replies if it's something like I use over and over again. I can assign specific comments to my teammates so they can take care of it. I can assign labels, and all this sort of stuff is supported for moderation of comments on PostPlanify. And these are the current supported platforms for social inbox, by the way. And for the messages part, you can manage your Instagram DMs and also Facebook DMs on PostPlanify as well. Basically, when you get a message on Facebook or Instagram, it's gonna pop up right here and you can just reply back to those as well. Then I want to show you the media library, which is pretty crucial because you can store and manage all your brand assets all in one screen. So what I mean by that is you can see all the images, videos you uploaded and also use on your posts right here as well. You can create separate folders, you can create tags for easier categorization. You can also upload new media files to use them later in your posts. And in the reports tab, which is pretty crucial if you're a social media marketing agency, because you can create branded PDF reports for your clients' performance. And you can give it a title, select the date range, select the accounts. Once you click on generate, you'll be seeing all your reports right here. You can also add your own branding based on your subscription plan, by the way, like you're setting up your accent color, your footer text. And let me just go into one of the reports just to show you as an example. Here you can see the total followers, the title, the total views, the engagement data, and also how your accounts performed in the selected date range period. So you can like see how it's changed over time. You can also see the related trend and insights graphs, such as your follower growth, your daily views, your daily engagement, your followers by platform, and all these other helpful metrics is pretty crucial if you want to show your clients the ROI they are getting by using your services, so you can just show them the value they are getting. You can also see your like top performing posts for your clients as well. Then you can set up posting schedules if you want to stay in order when you are scheduling posts. You can create hashtag sets if there is something like you use over and over again, so you can just get it from right here. You can also create labels to attach them to your posts so they can be a great point for categorization of certain posts. And all these are basically supported. Like you can even create link in bio pages for each one of your clients. You can even bulk schedule many posts at once, which is pretty strong and powerful, by the way, because like, for example, you can upload many images, many videos, and schedule them all in once. So I just wanted to show you a workflow where you can leverage PostPlanify, like how you can make your life and also your team's life much easier with PostPlanify, with this amazing social media management platform. So I'm the founder of PostPlanify, by the way, full disclosure, and hope you found this video helpful. You can also book a call from the link in the description. I will be more than happy to show you like how it can help you specifically for your agency as well. So have a great day. Take care. Cheers.